How to unblock everything on a school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, all you have to do is just type rubynetwork.tech in your search bar and click enter. After that, you will be able to open up this proxy website. Just search for anything over here and you will be able to open it up. Let's search for Roblox and click on it. After that, wait for a while and it will open up Roblox for you. Then just open up Roblox official website and this is how it will work. And in order to play different games, you can simply open up this one, which is called algebrahelper.net and /games/ and this way you will be able to open up this website and play different games. And in case if you want to play more games, then simply open up this one, which is called yandex.com. Just open this up and it will work quite fine. And this is how you do it. And this way you will be able to open up everything on school Chromebook. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.